Hey guys, I'm Jessie of Crochet by Jessie and welcome to my channel. Today's video is the long-awaited day 5 of my 6-day style blanket challenge. If you have not seen any of this challenge taking place, I'm using the 6-day style blanket pattern by Betty McKnit, one which, as you can see, I've made quite a lot of already, and I'm trying to see how much of a blanket I can get done and if I could possibly finish it in 6 days by doing approximately 2 hours a day across each of these 6 days. This is how it is looking after day 4 being completed. So I've got 2 days left, and I found that in the day 4 video I just was really slow at crocheting. I can't really say why, but I feel like in the previous ones I was really quick and I got loads done. Just that was not the case this time. So I'm hoping to speed up the process, so fingers crossed, and let's see how much I can get done. Okay guys, I have finished the first round. It was about halfway done, so I've not done loads, and that took me about 25 minutes, I want to say, so not too bad. I'm hoping I want to speed up a little bit more, so fingers crossed. But to be fair, I am already happy with the size of this, and considering I have another hour and a half today, and I've got day 6 to do as well before I get to the final size for the 2 hours a day for 6 days, I'm happy so far. So let's see how long it takes to get the next round done. I've just finished the second round, so I've done about a round and a half so far in this video, and that took about an hour again, so each round is taking longer and longer, which I mean is to be expected when it's literally this size, but it always frustrates me when this happens. So I've got about half an hour or so left. I might be able to finish it because this next round is single crochet, so fingers crossed. But to be fair, I feel like at this stage, even when you're getting less rounds done, you're still adding quite a lot to it because it really does impact the size of the blanket a lot more. Round 3 is now finished. I will say that I did go over about about 5 to 10 minutes just because I really wanted to finish this round. And yeah, I'm really happy. It did take, I want to say it took 35 to 40 minutes because it was single crochet, so it didn't take quite as long as the double crochet rows. Well, round, sorry. But yeah, I'm happy with the progress. I did about as much as I figured I probably would do. Obviously I did go over a tiny bit, but there were some days where I finished a tiny bit early, so I'm going to kind of use that as a little bit of time to make up for. So this is how it's looking at the end of day 5. I've got 1 day left, and then we're going to see just how big we can get it done for day 6. Thank you guys for joining me for day 5 of the 6-day star blanket challenge. If you've enjoyed seeing content like this and you don't want to miss day 6 and the final reveal of how much I get done, or you just like crochet content in general, I do basically everything and anything crochet related that I can do will be on this channel. So if you want to see more like that, then please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell to be notified when my next video is up. Thank you for watching, guys.